Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This week, we're diving into the exciting world of open source software and exploring some of the top trending GitHub projects. Get ready to be amazed by the innovation and creativity happening within the open source community. In this video, we're focusing on top trending open source GitHub projects this week, part 1. So let's jump right in and discover some game-changing projects. Project number 1, Pewter Free and Open Source Internet OS. Pewter is an advanced, open source project that aims to build a web OS, essentially an operating system that lives online and is accessible from any web browser. This makes it unique because it gives users the freedom to access their files, apps, and games from anywhere on any device without relying on traditional operating systems. What's even more remarkable is that Pewter is completely free, open source, and self-hostable. You can choose to run it on your own server for maximum privacy and control, or use the hosted service at pewter.com. Pewter distinguishes itself from other cloud solutions by prioritizing user freedom and providing a versatile platform with various applications. It can function as a personal cloud for storing files, a platform for building and publishing websites and apps, a remote desktop environment, or even a learning tool for those interested in web development and cloud computing. It presents a fresh, feature-rich alternative to existing services like Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive. Since its launch in March 2024, Pewter has experienced remarkable growth, attracting a large community of developers and users. With over 26.8K stars on GitHub, 1.8K forks, and over 177,000 downloads, the project's popularity speaks for itself. It has also been translated into over 38 languages, highlighting its global appeal and accessibility. The project's front end is built using jQuery, a testament to the developer's ability to leverage existing technologies to create a seamless user experience. Adding to Pewter's appeal is the Pewter SDK, which empowers developers to integrate free authentication, cloud storage, and AI capabilities into their own websites and applications. This SDK has already been adopted by platforms like Silex, demonstrating its potential to revolutionize web development and fuel further innovation in the field. Pewter's combination of innovative features, dedication to open source principles, and a thriving community makes it a project worth watching in the evolving world of cloud computing. Project number 2, LTX-Video, Real-Time Video Generation. LTX-Video is a groundbreaking diffusion transformer DAI-based model that can generate high-quality videos in real time, a feat never accomplished before. Imagine creating a 24 FPS video at 68 by 512 resolution faster than it takes to actually watch it. That's the power of LTX-Video. This model was trained on a massive dataset of diverse videos, enabling it to produce high-resolution videos with incredibly realistic and varied content. What makes LTX-Video truly unique is its ability to generate videos from both text and image prompts. You can use a detailed text description, like a movie script, or an existing image to inspire the video creation. The developers encourage users to focus on crafting prompts that are rich in detail and chronology. Think like a cinematographer, outlining specific movements, appearances, camera angles, and environmental elements, all within a single, descriptive paragraph. To get the most out of LTX-Video, there are a few things to keep in mind. When working with text prompts, aim for a concise description under 200 words. For the best results, structure your prompt by starting with the main action, then layer in specifics about movements, appearances, background details, camera angles, lighting, and any noteworthy events. LTX-Video works best with resolutions under 720 by 1280 and frame counts below 257. You can control the video output further by adjusting parameters like resolution preset, seed, guidance scale, and inference steps. LTX-Video is accessible right away via HF Playground and FAL.ai. For those who want to run it locally, detailed instructions for installation and inference can be found in the official repository on GitHub. The developers have also created a Comfy UI integration to simplify the process of using LTX-Video with Comfy UI. This project is truly pushing the boundaries of video generation technology, and its real-time capabilities have the potential to revolutionize how we create and consume video content. Project number 3, Samurai, adapting Segment Anything model for zero-shot visual tracking. Samurai is a cutting-edge project that adapts the Segment Anything model for zero-shot visual tracking using emotion-aware memory. This means it can track objects in videos without needing any specific training data for those objects. This is a significant advancement as it eliminates the time-consuming and resource-intensive process of training models for every new object you want to track. What makes Samurai truly unique is its ability to leverage the power of SAM, a powerful segmentation model, and combine it with a motion-aware memory system. This system remembers how the object being tracked has moved in the past and uses this information to predict its future movements, making the tracking more accurate and robust. The project's zero-shot capability is a game changer for applications where quickly adapting to new objects is crucial, such as robotics, surveillance, and autonomous driving. Samurai is built on top of SAM2 and utilizes the VOT toolkit for evaluation. It requires SAM2 to be installed before use, along with specific versions of Python, Torch, and Torch Vision. Detailed installation instructions, including how to download the SAM 2.1 checkpoint, are available in the project's GitHub repository. The code also provides examples of how to run the demo on custom videos or frame directories, requiring a text file with the bounding box coordinates of the object in the first frame. Samurai is a testament to the rapid advancements in computer vision and artificial intelligence. It highlights the potential of adapting pre-trained models for new tasks without extensive retraining. The project's accessibility, detailed documentation, and open source nature make it an exciting prospect for researchers and developers alike. To learn more about Samurai and its capabilities, visit the official project page and explore the code on GitHub. Project number 4, Podcastfy AI. Transforming content into engaging audio conversations. Podcastfy AI is an open-source Python package that transforms various forms of content, including text, images, websites, PDFs, and YouTube videos, into captivating multilingual audio conversations using the power of generative AI. What makes Podcastfy stand out is its focus on open-source accessibility, programmatic control, and bespoke content generation, setting it apart from closed-source, UI-driven tools primarily designed for research synthesis. Podcastfy allows for extensive customization and scalability, empowering users to tailor their AI-generated podcasts according to their specific needs. Users can customize conversation parameters like format, style, and voices, choose from over 156 Hugging Face models for local LLM operation, and fine-tune various configuration settings. It also supports generating both short, 2 to 5 minutes, and long-form, 30-plus minutes podcasts with options for multilingual output. Podcastfy integrates seamlessly with CLI and Python packages, enabling automated workflows and streamlined content creation. The project boasts an impressive range of features, including transcript generation using over 100 LLM models, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, etc., integration with advanced text-to-speech models, OpenAI, Google, 11 Labs, and Microsoft Edge, and support for local LLMs for enhanced privacy and control. Podcastfy has already found diverse applications across content creation, education, research, and accessibility advocacy. Its intuitive design and comprehensive documentation make it easy for users of all technical backgrounds to harness its capabilities. Project number 5, AI Suite, simplifying access to multiple generative AI providers. AI Suite is an open-source project that provides a simple, unified interface to multiple generative AI providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, Azure, Google AWS, Grok, Mistral, Hugging Face, and Ollama. What makes AI Suite unique is its ability to let developers use various large language models, LLMs, through a standardized interface similar to OpenAI's. This means developers can easily swap out and test responses from different LLM providers without having to change their code. Currently, AI Suite focuses on chat completions, but there are plans to expand its capabilities in the future. AI Suite prioritizes stability by utilizing either HTTP endpoints or SDKs to communicate with providers. To use AI Suite, you'll need API keys for your chosen providers, which can be set as environment variables or passed as configuration settings. The project provides clear instructions on how to install the base package or specific provider packages, making it easy to get started. A simple example demonstrates how to generate chat completions from GPT-4 and Claude using just a few lines of code. AI Suite uses a specific format for model names, provider, model name, so it can correctly call the appropriate provider and parameters. The project encourages contributions and provides a guide for adding support for new platforms. AI Suite follows a strict naming convention for provider modules to ensure consistency and simplify integration. The project is released under the MIT license, allowing for both commercial and non-commercial use. For those interested in exploring AI Suite's capabilities, the examples directory on the GitHub repository contains several notebooks for experimentation. With its user-friendly interface and support for a wide range of AI providers, AI Suite makes it easier than ever to explore and leverage the power of generative AI. Project number 6, Echo Mimic V2, creating striking, simplified, and semi-body human animations. Echo Mimic V2 is an innovative project from Ant Group that focuses on generating realistic and expressive human animations driven by audio input. What makes this project stand out is its ability to produce high-quality animations with a simplified approach, focusing on semi-body movements, making it more accessible and efficient. This technology opens up exciting possibilities for creating engaging content for various applications like virtual assistants, video games, and social media. Echo Mimic V2 builds upon its predecessor, Echo Mimic V1, pushing the boundaries of audio-driven animation. The project utilizes a novel, deep learning framework that learns the intricate relationships between audio signals and human motion. By analyzing the nuances of speech, including tone, rhythm, and emotion, Echo Mimic V2 can synthesize lifelike movements that accurately reflect the speaker's intent. One of the key features of Echo Mimic V2 is its emphasis on semi-body animation. This means the system focuses on generating movements for the upper body, including the head, arms, and torso. This targeted approach allows for more efficient computation and greater control over the expressiveness of the animations. The project also leverages a pre-trained diffusion model, eliminating the need for extensive training data, making it easier to implement and adapt to different scenarios. Echo Mimic V2 is available on GitHub, complete with installation instructions, pre-trained models, and sample code. You can even explore the project's capabilities through the interactive Gradio UI or the Comfy UI integration. This project represents a significant step forward in the field of human animation, offering a streamlined and effective method for creating captivating and realistic digital characters. Project number 7, VideoLingo, your one-click AI subtitle team. VideoLingo is an innovative project designed to revolutionize video translation, localization, and dubbing. Think of it as your personal AI subtitle team, working tirelessly to make your videos accessible to a global audience. What sets VideoLingo apart from similar projects is its focus on delivering Netflix-quality subtitles. It goes beyond simple machine translations, generating subtitles that are natural-sounding, concise, and adhere to professional standards. One of VideoLingo's key strengths is its ability to generate single-line subtitles, a hallmark of professional productions like those on Netflix. This eliminates the distracting multi-line subtitles often seen in amateur videos. It utilizes cutting-edge technologies like WhisperX for word-level subtitle recognition and GPT for subtitle segmentation and terminology generation, ensuring coherence and accuracy in translation. The project's three-step translation process involves direct translation, reflection, and adaptation, resulting in a level of quality comparable to human translators. But VideoLingo doesn't stop at subtitles. It also offers seamless dubbing capabilities, utilizing advanced techniques like GPT sovits to align the dubbed audio with the video content. Imagine being able to offer your videos in multiple languages, complete with high-quality dubbing, all with just a few clicks. That's the power of VideoLingo. The project is open source and offers detailed documentation, making it easy for developers to integrate it into their workflows. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or simply passionate about sharing information across language barriers, VideoLingo offers a powerful and accessible solution. To learn more about VideoLingo, visit their website or explore the project on GitHub. Project number 8, Ditto, the self-building coding agent. Ditto is a game-changing project that empowers users to generate multi-file Flask applications using simple natural language descriptions, all without writing a single line of code. This user-friendly tool leverages the power of a large language model, LLM, in a continuous loop to automate the coding process, turning your ideas into functional web applications with remarkable ease. What sets Ditto apart is its self-building agent capability, eliminating the need for manual coding and making web development accessible to a broader audience. Imagine describing your dream web application in plain English, and Ditto automatically plans and constructs the entire project, generating routes, templates, and even static files, all organized into a clean and modular structure. This innovative approach streamlines web development, allowing users to focus on the creative aspects of their project rather than getting bogged down in complex coding details. To get started with Ditto, you'll need Python 3.7 or higher and the lem package installed. The project requires an OpenAI API key, which can be set up either temporarily in the terminal or persistently using a .env file for added security. Once set up, simply run the application using python main.py and access the web interface at h//localhost 8valve8t to describe your application. Ditto will then process your request and generate the corresponding Flask application, allowing you to instantly interact with your creation. While Ditto is currently a quick exploration, its potential for revolutionizing web development is immense, and contributions are welcome to further enhance its capabilities. Project number 9. libSQL, breathing new life into SQLite. libSQL is an exciting open source project that takes the widely used SQLite database and pushes it to new heights. What makes libSQL unique is its commitment to being both open source and open contributions, addressing a long-standing limitation of SQLite, its resistance to external contributions. This means developers worldwide can now collaborate and enhance the core SQLite engine, expanding its capabilities and making it even more versatile and powerful. Think of libSQL as a community-driven evolution of SQLite, adding features and improvements that benefit everyone. It retains full compatibility with the SQLite file format and API, ensuring a seamless transition for existing users. libSQL boasts a range of impressive features, including embedded replicas for in-app database replication, a dedicated libSQL server for remote access similar to PostgreSQL or MySQL, and support for multiple programming languages like Rust, JavaScript, Python, and Go. Beyond core functionality, libSQL introduces several enhancements to SQLite, including alter table support for modifying columns, randomized rowids, WebAssembly user-defined functions, and a virtual write-ahead log interface. The project is actively maintained by Terso and fosters a vibrant community where developers can contribute, share ideas, and shape the future of SQLite. libSQL represents a significant step forward for the beloved embedded database, unlocking its full potential through open collaboration and innovation. To learn more about libSQL and explore its possibilities, visit their website at terso.tech/libsql. Project number 10, an award-winning website, Learn to Build It Yourself. This project, available on Adrian Hodin's JavaScript Mastery YouTube channel, is a step-by-step guide to creating a stunning website inspired by the award-winning site Zentry. This isn't just about copying a design, it's about mastering the techniques that elevate a website from good to exceptional. You'll learn how to bring your website to life with scroll-triggered animations, smooth geometric transitions, and captivating video elements. The goal is to create a luxurious and modern website that embodies the qualities of an Awwwards winner. What makes this project so unique is its focus on teaching you the why behind the how. You'll gain a deep understanding of how to implement dynamic animations triggered by scrolling, utilize CSS clip paths for unique visual effects, and integrate 3D hover interactions for a truly modern feel. The tutorial uses a powerful combination of technologies, including GSAP for animations, React.js for the user interface, and Tailwind CSS for styling. The project is designed to be accessible for learners of all levels. The GitHub repository provides the complete code base, including valuable snippets like the index.css file, which demonstrates how to style various elements and achieve specific effects. Getting started is easy, thanks to the clear instructions provided in the Quick Start Guide. You'll learn how to clone the repository, install the necessary dependencies, and run the project locally on your machine. The source also includes the assets and fonts used in the project, although it's important to note that these are intended for educational purposes only. By the end of this project, you'll not only have a visually stunning website, but also the skills and confidence to create your own award-worthy designs. And that wraps up our look at some of the most exciting open source projects trending on GitHub this week. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to explore these projects further and maybe even contribute yourself. What project are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss part 2, where we'll cover even more amazing open source projects. Thanks for watching and keep on coding!